Okay, so basically this one here, we're ready to do the back door now, because this is also the passenger side, and this one only goes down part way, then it starts clicking and everything like that. So we're going to replace this one with another one that I got from Britain as well, from the Poulter Wreckers there in Britain. And to get this one off, basically there's two screws, one there, and then there's the door handle one that's in here. And you just pull those out and you pop it off. Again, you got to be careful you don't break the clips. I don't think I've had this door panel off before, but I have had all the other three off. So we'll get these screws out and we'll pop the panel off and disconnect, and we'll show you how to do this regulator. Okay, so back at it again. Had to readjust the battery on the camera. We got this other bolt here, or sorry, a screw here and a screw here to get out. I'm trying to do this so I don't get in your way, so that you can see what I'm doing. And again, make sure you have a place to put your bolts and screws, because you will forget where they are and you will lose them. Ask me how I know. Use the OSHA approved removal tool. Locate all your clips and gently coax them out. Or you will break them. And even sometimes when you gently coax them out, you still break them anyway. There we go. And unlike the front door, there's these guys here for the little tweeter. You have to disconnect the power on them. As well as your switch for your window. Now we got that off. You can see that there's two bolts for this one. One here, or actually, sorry, no, 3 bolts and one here. Now to take that all off. Again, another 10 millimeter. This guy here. Before I take them all the way out, I'm going to lower the window. So. Okay, so I can't get to the bolts because the window won't go all the way down as usual. So I'm going to have to try and just take the bolts out, and maybe I can drop the glass far enough where I can get to the bolts and take the bracket out. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me get this unplugged here. Yep. Now we'll take these guys out here. look at this guy and see if I can get any bolts here. Ah, good, there we go. This guy right here. This is the one we need to get to. Loosen him off. Don't take him all the way out. Just loosen him off. Then that glass should pop out. Or not. Let me see. I think this might be a fixed glass. It might be glued to the bottom of the glass. So let's take that bolt all the way out. Yep. There's a fixed glass. It was glued to the glass. Let me get my tape. Hold that up. Reuse the tape that I had on the front. Excuse somebody's alarm going off. Apparently they don't know how to use their vehicle, but oh well. Anyways, now the fun part starts. Got to get this guy out, and hopefully it doesn't take too long. That's just enough to make you swear. There we go. Now I'm caught on something up here. There we go. There we go. Just like that. And it's out. Try and get this one back in. There we go. It's always easier going in than out. Okay, so grab some bolts. Let me guess, I got that on the wrong side of the glass. I can tell that because it won't come all the way forward. There. I'm just going to put these bolts in finger tight. So I can lower the glass. And screw it in on the bottom here. Go. can see it lines up down there. So I'll have to put the bolt back in there. So just let me get my extension and get that going. Okay, hopefully that glass stays there while I do this. I don't wind up breaking it. You always want to just put your bolts hand tight, finger tight. You don't need any gorilla grips or anything like that, because you're going to test the window to make sure it goes up and down properly. But before I do that, I'm going to spray a little bit of lubricant in the channel here. Just to make sure it slides nicely. Let me get my ignition back on and put the door card on and give it a test. So we'll just plug this guy in there, and we'll give the window a test. And it's not, oh, I know why it's not working. You gotta plug the window in first. You gotta plug the power into the window. There we go. Now this should work. There we go. And that's that. And basically the door card just goes back on the same way you took it off. You put your 2 screws in there, your 1 screw in there, make sure all your clips are set in, and you're good. That's it for the window regulators. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.